Hey guys, and welcome to section 4 of the pre-algebra program entitled Solving Equations by Multiplication or Division. And in this section, of course, we're just going to learn how to solve equations using multiplication or division. Yesterday's video I know was particularly lengthy, so I'm going to do my best to keep this kind of short and sweet. I hope that you will find this section a little bit easier than yesterday's section, and so hopefully it should go pretty smoothly. All right, let's jump right in with some examples. All right, what if we had the equation 7x equals 28? Again, like yesterday, we're looking to isolate the variable. So we identify the variable as x here, and we have to recognize what operation is being done to it and then try to undo it. So notice here that 7 is attached to that x, implying multiplication. And the opposite of multiplication is division. So in order to undo the multiplication of 7x, we're going to divide by 7x. And just like before, yesterday we learned that if we do something to one side of the equation, then we have to do it to the other side. So I'm going to divide both sides by 7. And when I do that, I get 1x equals, we can do 28 divided 7, which is 4. Or more simply, x just equals 4. We don't write this 1 in our solution. It's understood that we just mean 1. And I'm just going to check this first one for us, but I do want you to be checking your answers as you work through the homework. So let's go ahead and substitute for x. This is for my check. And of course, 7 times 4 is 28. And so I know that we're good. Okay, let's do another example. Let's do negative 36 equals negative 9t. So we identify the variable, and we see that it's being multiplied times negative 9. So I undo multiplication with division. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 9. And that's going to leave me simply with t on that side. And then negative 36 divided by negative 2 divided by negative 9 is going to give me a positive 4, because two negatives make a positive. So I will accept either answer here, 4 equals t, or we typically write the variable on the left-hand side. Either one of those is acceptable. Okay, let's do another one. What if I had 5x equals negative 25? We identify the variable. Here is x. Again, I see it's being attached by multiplication. So I undo multiplication with division. And negative 25 divided by positive 5 gives me a negative 5. So x equals negative 5. All right, what happens if my equation includes a fraction? Or for our purposes, that fraction means division. Okay, first isolate the variable, or identify the variable, I should say, which is right here, b. And notice it's being divided by negative 11. So we undo division with multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by negative 11. And then b is going to equal negative 33. And again, we could check that, and it should come out right for us. Okay, what if we have x divided 2 equals negative 13? So we identify our variable here. Notice it's being divided by 2. So we undo division with multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And that's going to undo the operation that we need over there. And then multiply negative 13 times 2, which is a negative 26. So x equals negative 26. Okay, I'm going to do one more problem for you. It's another word problem that we need to write as an algebraic equation. And this one says the product of negative 4 and a number is 40. Okay, remember that product means multiplication, a number is our variable, and is means equal to. So we can write this, the product of negative 4 and a number is equal to 40. Now we can see here that we have multiplication. We identified our variable, and we undo multiplication with division. And 40 divided by negative 4 is negative 10. Okay, you guys, finish up your notes, read through the section and the examples, and begin your assignment.